Hey guys, quick video. I have 80 miles on the build now. Don't mind this Pepsi bottle. My overflow tank I ordered should be here sometime this week. But everything's working well. No issues. Drove it into town a few times. Actually drove it today to get the exhaust done, which is what this video is really about. It costs more than I wanted it to, but for this build, everything has for me. I haven't gotten lucky on a lot of things, but got a custom Y pipe made, which I'll show you now. It's kind of hard to get it with the phone, but as you can tell, they did a really good job. I went to this place because it's the best place in town. They've done all my other cars. Trying to see if I can't get some good views on here, but I want them to hug the oil pan as best as possible so the drive shaft doesn't make any contact or rocks don't come into contact, and I have enough room to stick my whole hand through, and it clears really well. Got a new muffler too. I think Flowmaster, but yeah, this is a shitty video. Trying my best. I'll just start up now. Oh, that hurt. Sorry guys. Yeah, it's kind of quiet, but it should get louder once that muffler breaks in. And I kind of didn't want it a little quiet because when you're on those tight trails, that resonating noise gets a little, I don't know what you want to call it, but it gives you a fucking headache after like 10 minutes. Yep, so good so far. No issues. I actually need to run coolant. I'm running water right now. I didn't want to put coolant in it and then have to drain it off for some reason. So I'll be putting cooling in it this weekend and taking to get it inspected tomorrow. So fingers crossed. But alright guys, good luck with the rest of yours. Let me know if I can help in any way. Like I said, no issues. Pulls like a motherfucker too. But fifth gear is kind of not that great with the 488s in it, but it'll do what I want for the trails. Alright guys, take care.